Today we're going to talk about something fundamental in AutoCAD and Plant 3D coordinate systems. I'll explain the difference between WCS and UCS, how they behave after object rotation, and how to correctly align your working directions using the Coordinates tab. We'll build a simple cube, rotate it, and then create a new UCS aligned to the object, so you clearly see how modeling logic changes depending on your coordinate system. If you truly understand this, your 3D modeling becomes much more controlled and predictable. Here we have a box aligned to the WCS, the World Coordinate System. That means its edges are perfectly aligned with the global X, Y, and Z directions. Now let's rotate our box a little bit. In real projects, objects are not always placed perfectly vertical or horizontal. Equipment can be installed at an angle, steel structures can be rotated, and piping directions can follow different orientations. Here we can create a new UCS, a new user coordinate system. This allows us to shift and rotate our working coordinate system independently from the world coordinate system. We can define exactly how the X, Y, and Z axis should be oriented depending on the geometry we are working with. And if we need to check other objects in the drawing, we can immediately switch back to the world coordinate system. This returns us to the global orientation of the model. Important note, if you create a new UCS and then switch back to WCS, your UCS is not automatically saved. If you want to reuse it later, you must save it manually. And that's the difference between WCS and UCS. Remember, WCS is your global reference, and UCS is your local working tool. Understanding this gives you much more control in 3D modeling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.